Are you looking for a one-day project? Something that will only take you a few hours to knit? I have the perfect project here. It's a warm and cozy cowl or a neck warmer. It's got lots of stretch and it looks fabulous under a puffer jacket or on top of a jumper. Using a size 20 ply wool or a super chunky wool, I've selected Rowan's 100% merino wool. It's soft, luxurious, and this ball will create your cowl. Cast on 63 stitches. The pattern comprises 4 rows. 3 rows, knit 5, purl 2, and 1 row for our pattern, which is rather simple. Knit for a total of 18 centimetres. You'll have this cowl finished before you know it. It's quick, it's easy, and looks beautiful. Enjoy. Rows 1, 2, and 4. Start with knit 5, purl 2. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, yarn to the front and towards you, purl 2 stitches. And that completes our pattern for rows number 1, 2, and 4. Continue all the way around. Row number 3, knit 2 stitches together. I like to pull the stitches so that it's flat. Yarn forward and towards you. Knit 1 stitch, yarn forward and towards you. Slip 1 stitch onto your second needle. Knit 1 stitch, then pass the slip stitch over the knitted stitch. Purl 2 stitches. And that completes our pattern for row number 3. Continue all the way around.